This video is presented by Code Element created by Achim Ahmad. Angular #1 Introduction. Angular Introduction, a framework for building application using web technologies like HTML, CSS and JS, empowers developers to build applications for browsers, mobiles, or desktop. Angular history, developed in 2009 by Misko Hevery and Adam Abrans at BratTech. Angular version 1.0, AngularJS, was released in 2012 by Google. Angular version 2.0 was released in September 2016. Angular 4.0 was released in March 2017. Angular 5.0 was released in November 2017. Angular 6.0 was released in May 2018. Angular 7.0 was released in October 2018. Angular 8.0 was released in May 2019. Angular 9.0 was released in February 2020. Angular CLI, a powerful to create, build, compile and serve Angular 2 app used to generate new components, routes, services, and pipes. Installing Angular CLI. npm install g at Angular, CLI, generating and serving Angular app. New project _name, skip install, cd project _name, npm install, serve. Angular CLI options, usage, help build build, env, build and run serve, testing test, end testing e2e. Angular CLI commands, scaffold, usage, in short, module generate module, my module g my module, component, generate component, my component g see my component, directive generate directive, my directive g d my directive, pipe, generate pipe, my pipe gp my pipe, service generate service, my service gs my service, guard generate guard, my guard, g my guard, class generate class, my class gcl my class, interface generate interface, my interface gi my interface, enum generate enum, my enum ge my enum. Angular initialization process. Angular building blocks, modules, components, templates, metadata, data binding, directives, pipes, routing, forms, services, dependency injection, modules. A module organize an application into unified blocks of functionality. An Angular module is a class with an @module decorator, accepts a single metadata object, whose properties describe the module. Each Angular app must have at least one module, known as root module. Modules, module metadata main properties. Imports, specify other dependent modules, whose classes are required by the component templates declared in the module. Declarations, specify the components, directives, and pipes that belong to the module. Bootstrap, specify the main app view, i.e., root component. Only the root module can have this bootstrap property. Exports, a subset of declarations that will be visible and usable in the other modules. A root module doesn't have export option. Providers, specify the services accessible across the app. Built-in modules. Angular has built-in library modules starting with the @Angular as prefix. Built-in library and third-part modules can be installed using npm manager. Built-in modules, components, services, directives, etc. can be imported by using built-in library modules. Component, a type of directives with template, styles and logic for user interaction, exported as a custom HTML tag like as, less than my component greater than less than, my component greater than, initialized by Angular dependency injection engine. Component examples. Template, define the view of a component, contains HTML markup, and Angular directives, attributes, etc. Describe how a component is rendered on the page. Template examples. Decorators, a function that adds metadata to a class, class members. These are prefix with its symbol. Angular has built-in decorators like @component, @module, @directive, @pipe, etc. Types of decorators. Class decorators. @module, used for defining a module. @component, used for defining a component. @directive, used for defining a directive. @injectable, used for injecting dependencies. @pipe, used for defining a pipe. Class field decorators. @input, used for receiving data, input from parent to child component. @output, used for passing data. Events, from child to parent component. Metadata, tells Angular how to process a class. Decorators are used to attach metadata to a class. Angular forms. HTML forms are an essential part of a web application. Angular provides two ways to create form: template-driven and model-driven. Angular form building blocks. Angular form and form control states. Thanks for watching. Keep support for more videos.